Hello, my name is Dawn, but a lot of you call me
Spice Dawn.
You sure do. And I would like to introduce you to this fella,
The child.
the child, also known as Baby Yoda. All right. Okay, see this, and then this, and this, and then look at this. They make a little hole. So like this is not a problem. Then here's the dish, and then this lifts up, and the cord is tucked in the corner where the hole was for it, and there he sits. So that's the unboxing and reboxing if you need it. Baby Yoda. All right, now I'm going to give you some dimensions because we've measured from the top of his head to his cord butt. It is 6 inches tall. From the front to the back, it is 6 inches. From his cuffs or shoulders or whatever you want to call these, side to side is 5 inches. But his ear span is 7.5 inches.
Wow.
Yes. Now I'm going to give you a good look at this. Now the nice thing about the dish is you know who is inside, like he's behind his shoulder and the dish is reflecting.
Scary.
Yes. Now I have to admit something. I don't know crap about The Mandalorian. Never watched it. Of course I know Yoda, but like I'm 58 years old and I never had kids, so I never really got caught by the bug for this stuff. Maybe I should. Maybe over the winter we'll watch all the stuff, but you're pretty much gonna have to get your own details on what some of this stuff means. But this dish is really cool because it's kind of wonky and not exactly round like our normal Scentsy dishes, and I'm sure that means something really, really interesting. And I like more natural, irregular things as well. This is an element warmer. That's the heating plate, and you'll see when the warmer is turned on, because this warmer does not have a light bulb and does not glow, but this little indicator light will glow. Now, but we're on the back here. You will see that this says Scentsy, and here are details from the back, details on the side. Look at the work on his little sleeve and how cute his little hands are. Coming across here, there's stitching, what appears to be like stitching. And it comes up across the front, clear over here again. Notice his fingernails are colored. The inside of his ears are tinted a nice blush color. And look at that face. Who couldn't love that little face? I mean, honest to God, that is stinking cute. Such a nice, smooth, kind of a satiny finish on this warmer, which means if you slop a little bit of wax on it, it's going to clean up a lot better than one that had a matte finish or a rough finish. I'm not suggesting you spill any wax. You use your cotton cleanups or a cotton ball or something to do your wax changes while it's warm, so you're not carrying a dish across the house so Fido can run into you. Now, one of the most interesting things I thought was the child's smooth, bald little head, which I may have something in common with him. A few things, that is. Some of you know that I have been recently diagnosed with breast cancer, and we've been waiting and put off, and then put off another 10 days, and now put off again until the 16th to get a score back called an oncotype score, which determines the reoccurrence. But the oncologist, because my tumor was twice as big as they thought it was going to be, he's pretty sure I'm going to need chemo, which my type of cancer isn't normally treated with chemo. It's normally treated with radiation. But he's thinking I'm going to need both. So in a few weeks, I may have more in common with this bald little head than I do right now. Note the ribbon, okay? I bought some retro ribbons because now's the time to do things to and for my hair that I'm not going to have a chance to do for a long time. So I did buy a wig. It's a cute wig, and I had it styled because they have so much hair in wigs that you get a lot of that thinned out. So I have a wig, but there's going to be days where I'm hot and I just want to screw with it, and I'm just gonna wear one of these goofy ass ribbons on my head. Just gonna, because I have an ear that sticks out like this. Okay, one of my ears, unless you've been on a trip, big Scentsy trip with me, and we've gone swimming, which I never put my head under the water anyway, but I have one ear that sticks out like a taxi cab going down the road with one door open. So I'm gonna be a real prize. So if I am sporting a smooth chrome dome, then I am going to have a ribbon to hold both of my ears equally. So I'm not like, hello. That's just like a little secret that I have for you. So anyway, that's my little update. This sold out like that, but there was a pre-order available. Of course, I don't know when you're going to be watching this video. However, just check online to see if it's still available to pre-order this little fella and have him available at some time at the end of the summer. And we're getting a cameo appearance from Nutmeg, who, if you'll notice, come here. Oh, look at you. Look at those ears. It's a lot like Baby Yoda as well. But anyway, he's a Devon Rex. So if you don't have this warmer in your hands yet, or if you want to really see how much you love it before you get on the pre-order, if you even can get on the pre-order, depending upon when you're watching this video, share it, because he's stinking cute. Absolutely adorable. Oh, I almost tipped him. But that is counterbalanced. It's quite nicely balanced. It's not that tippy. Don't pick him up by the ears. That would be bad. So anyway, there you have it. And that is the child from the Mandalorian. And you folks know all about all the details on what that entails. Bye.